Hi, my name is Nur Rosli. My number matrix is A20822213. I will presenting introduction. The name of this bakery shop is Dellyc Bakery. Our store started operating on 3rd January 2020. Our store will be open every Monday to Saturday starting at 2 p.m. until 10 p.m. We choose to open our bakery here because it is strategic location and expected to get a response from customers because this area is a city with a dense population distribution. Our objective is to open bakery because we want to help people who do not have a job to get a job by providing employment opportunities. For example, we will provide a job to talented person or university graduate who are employed surrounding the area or even in Malaysia. Our next objective is to find lenders or investors. When we get the lenders or investors, we will further expand the bakery business by opening new branch elsewhere. Company information. Name of company, Dellyc Bakery. Address, we will open at number 25, Jalan PJS, Seat per 26, Taman Desaria 4600, Petaling Jaya, Selangor. The owner of the bakery is Atira Horsley. Date of establishment is 3 January 2020. Time of business is partnership. Next is list of employees. We have 10 employees, which are Atira, Aimuni Hayati, Hazwani, Sofia, Shada, Ain, Zufairi, Asmira, Amin, and Husna. For Atira and Aimuni Hayati, have same hourly pay, which are RM 13 ringgit per hour. For Hazwani, Sofia, and Shada, RM 40 ringgit per hour. For Ain and Zufairi, RM 11 ringgit per hour, and the rest one is Asmira, Amin, and Husna, RM 10 ringgit per hour.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Ainayati binti Ahmad Adnan and my matric number is A20A1658. Now, I will present the question 1, the calculation. There are 10 employees and the total of payroll is 8,869 ringgit 50 cents. First is regular pay. Regular pay is when hourly rate times number of hours work. For example, Atira from administration, hourly rate is 13 and regular hours is 50. So she get 650 ringgit. Next is for overtime pay. Overtime pay is when overtime rate times overtime hours work. For example, Atira from administration, overtime hours that she do is 9 hours. So 9 hours times 1.5 times 13 ringgit. So the overtime pay that she get is 175 ringgit and 50 cents. Next is commission. Commission is when total sales times commission rate. For example, Hazwani get 10% commission. So and the total sales that she get is 2,700 ringgit. So 2,700 ringgit times 0.1 and she will get for the commission is 270 ringgit. Is piece earning. Piece earning is when number of unit produced times rate per unit. For example, Sophia produced 230 unit cakes in a week and the company give her 2 ringgit per cakes. So 230 unit times 2 ringgit and she will get 460 ringgit. And lastly is gross pay. Gross pay is we include the total pay that we get. For the example, Atira from administration, she will get regular pay and overtime pay, which is 650 ringgit and 175 ringgit 50 cents. So the gross pay of she will get is 825 ringgit and 50 cents. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Zufairi and my matrix number is A20A2325. So we go to the next question, which is second question. Our starting business capital is 15,000 ringgit and our own capital is 2,000 ringgit. Loan from relative is 3,000 ringgit and from bank ABC is 10,000 ringgit. So for interest rate, for loan from relative is 6.5% within 18 years. The amount of interest is 292 ringgit 50 cents. And the formula that I use is I equal to PRT. And for the future value is 4,700 ringgit. 4,792 ringgit 50 cent. The formula that I use is S equal to P multiplied by 1 plus RT. Next is Bank ABC. The loan from the bank is 10,000 ringgit and the interest rate charged is 4.5% per month for 5 years. The value of interest is 2,555 ringgit and 43 cent. The formula that I use is I equal to S minus P. While the future value is 12,555 ringgit 43 cent. And the formula that I use is S equal to P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket N. And that is the same as shown in the slide. And that's all for me.
Assalamualaikum and good afternoon, madam. My name is Sofiana Nabiti Januri and my metric number is A20 Today I want to present question 3. Okay, these are the machinery that we use for our bakery, which is the oven, mixer, dough mixer, and pastry roller machine. And I took one example, which is the oven for depreciation using declining balance method. The oven was bought for 2,750 and estimate useful life for 6 years with scrap value 150. I'm using these equations to find annual rate of depreciation and the book value of the oven at the end of the 3rd year. For annual rate, I use R equal to 1 minus N square root SV over C, and the answer of R is 38.41%. As for book value, I use BVT equal to C 1 minus RN, and the answer is RM 642.49. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nur Hazwani Metazani. My metric number is A20A2218. I want to answer question 3, answer 3 about the invoice. An invoice date 1 April 2021 for RM2300 was offered cash discount term of 9 April and 15 April 2021 of pastry rolling machine. First, cash discount equal to 0.03 by RM2300 equal to RM69, and then payment equal to invoice amount minus cash discount equal to RM2300 minus to RM69 equal to RM2231. And then hence the payment was RM2231. Okay, and then 50 April 2021, amount of original invoice equal to RM2300. The amount paid is RM2231 equal to Y by 1 minus 0.03, and then the debit is reduced Y equal to amount pay divide 1 minus R, and then the debit is reduced by Y equal 2,231 divide 0.97, and then equal to RM2300. The amount on the balance due the account of payment is RM0.
Hi, my name is Nora Aminta Bukati, matrix number A20A1646. So today I will present question 4A. Based on the bank loan that your company has identified in table 1 at 5% compounded monthly is to be amortized by 12 months. So calculate the monthly payment. So the formula I'm using in this question is A equal P in bracket I divide by 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I close bracket negative power source and then close bracket. So in this question, I get the P is 3000, M is 12, N is 12, T is 1, and then I is 0.004. This is because after we divide 0.005 divide by 12, and then I got the answer is RM 2055. So the first equation I get is A equal 3000, and then in bracket 0.004 divide by 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.004 negative power source 12, and then cost bracket. Second equation, 3000 in bracket 0.004 divided by 1 minus 0.953, and then close bracket. Third equation, a equal 3000 in bracket 0.004 divided by 0.047, and then close bracket, and then I get the fourth equation is 3000 multiply 0.085. So I get the answer is RM 2055. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Sharifah Nushahada binti Muhammad Zaina, and my metric number is A20A2009. And today I would like to present about the amortization schedule. An amortization schedule is a table showing the distribution of principal and interest for the various periodic payments. There are three formulas we use in this amortization schedule, which helps to get the amount of interest, principal paid, and ending balance, and the other data we can get from answer question 4A. As you can see in this table, the beginning balance is the P, and the monthly payment will be the same from first month until 12th month. Okay, first, to complete the data, we have to find the interest assisted by the formula interest P times R times T, and we can get the interest paid for first month, which are 12.50. After we get the interest, we can conclude the principal paid and also assisted by the principal paid formula, which are A minus to interest, A which present of monthly payment minus interest, and we can get the principal paid, which are 242.50. And after we get the amount of interest and principal paid, automatically we can get the amount of ending balance by beginning balance minus to principal paid, as shows in the schedule, is 2757.50. And next, we just use the same formula until the 12 months. For the total paid, we just double the monthly payment, and same goes to total principal paid. We just double the principal paid, and also the total interest paid, we just double the interest paid until the 12th month. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
In conclusion, Miss Atira want to be a success and can opening more branches of the Dellyc bakery to make it grow and continue the process to achieve the objective planning. And then it will be this bakery a popular choice because it will be the choice of the many customer. And then the strategic location will feature help the community to try to be a part of the Dellyc bakery. And last, with a big dream, Miss Atira can prove that her bakery go to the international level.